Hi all, welcome to the Viju Vlogs. I am Pratuldev, a second officer in Merchant Navy. This video is for giving a brief description regarding what is Merchant Navy and how to join Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy is a specialized industry which engaged in commercial activities involving transportation of cargo and passengers through sea routes. Merchant Navy is an important part of global shipping sector and an integral component of nation's economical development. Majority of world's commercial activities are carried out through sea routes. On board ships, there are three main departments: deck, engine, and galley. Deck department consists of captain, chief officer, second officer, third officer, and deck crew members. The main duties of deck department is ship's navigation and administration. Navigation means taking a ship from one place to another in a safe and quickest way with the reference of navigational charts and the pre-prepared passage plans. Captain will be the in charge of the whole ship. Chief officer, second officer, and third officer will do navigational watches on bridge in different shift timings with the reference of navigational equipments, charts, and publications. Bridge is the topmost area of the ship where the whole navigation is controlled. Engine department consists of chief engineer, second engineer, third engineer, fourth engineer, and the engine crew. The chief engineer will be the in charge of engine room. Second engineer, third engineer, and fourth engineer will do the engine room watches in the allotted shift timings. Engine can be considered as the heart of the ship. All engineers are professionally qualified for doing maintenance in main engine, generators, thrusters, and all equipments and machineries in the engine. Galley is the kitchen of the ship. Food items for all crew members in ship was prepared by chief cook and his assistants in galley. There are different types of ships: oil tankers, container ships, ro-ro ships, passenger ships, bulk carriers, gas carriers, and offshore support ships. Oil tankers have huge cargo tanks which is capable of carrying oil and other petroleum products. Ro-ro ship means roll on roll off. They are car and vehicle carriers. Passenger ships are mainly used for luxury and tourism purpose. They are certified to carry a large number of passengers. Bulk carriers are designed to carry cargoes in bulk. Gas carriers are designed to carry compressed and liquefied gas in a large quantity. Container ships can carry a large number of containers. These containers are of a standard size so that they can be easily transferred from various modes of transport. Container vessels are one of the demanded vessels in Merchant Navy. The scope of offshore support vessels are increasing day by day. They are mostly used for oil production purpose and for working and construction of deep sea offshore installations. Now we are going to discuss how to join Merchant Navy. The main courses to join Merchant Navy are BTech Marine Engineering, BSc Nautical Science, Diploma in Nautical Science, Electro-Technical Officer course, General Purpose Rating, and CCMC. By studying BTech Marine Engineering, you can become an engineer on board ship and eventually the chief engineer on board. By studying BSc Nautical Science and Diploma in Nautical Science, you can become a navigating officer and eventually the captain of the ship. Electro-Technical Officer course is for becoming an ETO on board ship. ETO means Electro-Technical Officer. General Purpose Rating, that is GP rating. If you are studying GP rating, you can become a crew member on board ship either in engine room or deck. And last course is CCMC, Certificate Course in Maritime Catering. This course is for becoming a chief cook on board ship. Besides IMU and other IMU affiliated colleges, there are certain deemed universities also providing BSc Nautical Science as well as BTech Marine Engineering courses. Apart from an engineer or an officer, you can also become a ship's crew directly after 10th by doing a course known as GP rating. GP rating means General Purpose Rating. If you are studying this course, you can become an able seaman in deck department or an oiler in an engine department. If you want to join in BTech Marine Engineering, BSc Nautical Science or Diploma in Nautical Science, you have to attend the Indian Maritime University entrance exam. For attending the entrance exam, the eligibility will be 12 science with 60% in PCM. BSc Nautical Science is a 3-year degree course On the successful completion of BSc Nautical Science, you will be joining as a deck cadet for an onboard training for 12 months. After which you have to do the advanced STCW course and GMDSS. And directly you can attend the MMD oral exams. Once you pass the oral exam, you will be granted with the second mate license. If you are doing diploma in nautical science, you have to study in an academy for 1 year and have to complete onboard training of 18 months as a deck cadet. After onboard training, you need to do advanced STCW course, GMDSS and second mate function courses. Then you have to appear for the MMD written exams followed by oral exams. After the successful completion of all these exams, you will be granted the second mate license. By holding second mate license, you are eligible to join as a third officer. After gaining some experience, the company will promote you as a second officer depending upon your performance. After completing the second mates, there are 2 more exams in the career, that is chief mate and ASM. Once completing all these exams, you can become the captain of the ship. Now I am going to explain the career path of an engineer. For becoming a marine engineer, there are 2 courses, that is BTech Marine Engineering and Graduate Marine Engineering. BTech Marine Engineering is a 4-year course. Once completing the marine engineering, the candidate have to go for onboard training for 6 months as engine cadet. On completion of onboard training, the candidate have to do the advanced STCW course, engine stimulator course and certain certificate courses. Then the candidate have to attend the written and oral exam by MMD. On the successful completion of all these exams, the candidate will be granted with the MEO Class 4 license. After holding MEO Class 4 license, you are eligible to join as a 4th engineer. And after getting some experience, you will be promoted as a 3rd engineer by the company. And the promotion will depend upon your performance. After completing MEO Class 4, there are 2 more exams in the career. That is MEO Class 2 and MEO Class 1. Once completing all these exams, you can become a chief engineer on board ship. Salary is an attractive part in merchant navy. The captain or a chief engineer will get around $15,000 per month. $15,000 means around 12 lakhs Indian rupees. Hope you all enjoyed the video and got an idea about what is merchant navy and ship. This is Prabhudev signing off. Please subscribe my channel for getting future updates on career guidance. Thank you.